The GPPN Conference this year is hosted by Singapore, and I think it's a very important moment to come to Asia to actually look at the perspective of the world and the challenges of the world from this part of the world. I really like engaging with the students from different parts of the world. The GPPN Network Conference is a way to connect the students of these schools.
Being in Singapore has been amazing so far, just checking out the city. It's such a diverse city. It's amazing to see all the different cultures and religions cooperating together, trying the food, and the sustainability here is just amazing. It's such a green city. It's so great to be here. It's such an amazing experience to take part of an international conference and meeting students from all over the world. Like, this is not something you get to experience every day.
GPPN is not just a talk shop. The focus is on actionable policy solutions. So ideas that will make a real difference, ideas that will bridge divides and foster collaboration, and ideas that will improve and grow the global commons.
What I love about this is that they all gave policy ideas, but they were all also implementation ideas. Like, they all had a component of how do you actually make this work, and who are the players, and who's involved, and what does it cost. So I really think they combine that very well.
I think the most interesting thing is to learn how fragmented we are at different levels of society, whether it's the domestic, the international. And this is something you can really only learn and get to know when you are hearing from speakers from all over the world. And I think that's the most amazing thing about the GPPN.
The most interesting thing that we uncovered while we were preparing for this, that humans generally end up becoming numbers. And the human stories just get succumbed to all the data, all the p-values that we are finding across surveys. While we were preparing for it as well, we made sure that the human angle pops up more than the numbers.
That is exactly what schools of public policy are all about. You know, economists or political scientists or engineers come up with big designs, but the question is, how do we make them practical? How do we turn them into policies? And this kind of exercise is exactly focused on that.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to moderate this session. So part of the tradition is to host also a roundtable discussion with some of the deans that come during the GPPN Network Conference. I think it was a very robust conversation. It shows that we are all facing very similar challenges, which has an implication also on what we teach, how we teach and how we engage with new generations. So it was a very interesting conversation that engaged also the students.
I really love the contact with students, of course my students, but also students from all other schools, like talking to them and just seeing them, seeing their enthusiasm, seeing their optimism for the future. And I'm glad to contribute. However small contribution, I think I'm making a contribution to make their life a little bit better.
It's warm in your heart to see new generations that really care about global problems and are really thinking hard on possible new ideas and solutions.
The London School